Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Subaru 360, a nostalgic yet modern take on the classic K car. This tiny marvel has made a big comeback, and today we'll explore everything from its exterior design to its performance and pricing. Let's get started. First off, the 2025 Subaru 360 in dark brown is a sight to behold. The deep, rich tone gives it a classic, vintage vibe. Yet the body shape is updated, with subtle touches to make it feel fresh and relevant to today's market. The compact dimensions are still very much part of its identity, staying true to the original design, which means it's small, but it packs a punch in personality. Now, moving around to the exterior, you can't help but notice the retro-inspired styling. The round headlights are a nod to its origins, but there's a modern edge in the design lines and the sleek contours. The rounded body shape is perfectly complemented by the chrome accents that add a bit of shine without taking away from that minimalist look. It's a quirky, cute little car, but don't let the size fool you. It's designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that balances nostalgia and modern comfort. The dashboard has a minimalist layout featuring classic analog gauges with a touch of digital technology integrated for convenience. The seats are surprisingly comfortable for a car of this size, and the upholstery in dark brown leather complements the exterior color beautifully. It feels cozy, yet there's an airiness to the cabin that doesn't make it feel cramped, thanks to the clever design choices. While this car might not be the largest in its class, Subaru has done an excellent job maximizing interior space. The materials used are soft and refined, giving you that premium feel without compromising on practicality. The cabin is perfect for city driving, where space is limited, but comfort is still key. And with modern touches like Bluetooth connectivity and a touchscreen infotainment system, this car isn't just about style, it's got all the tech you need for the modern road. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Subaru 360 doesn't disappoint. Powered by a small but efficient engine, it's designed for city driving and light commutes. It's nimble, with a tight turning radius that makes parking a breeze. Thanks to its lightweight frame, acceleration is smooth, and it handles corners with ease, providing a surprisingly responsive driving experience. Of course, it won't win any drag races, but if you're looking for a practical, fun little ride, it delivers. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Subaru 360 is positioned as an affordable, entry-level vehicle. With its compact size and K-car roots, it's priced to be accessible to a wide range of buyers, especially those looking for a city car that stands out. While prices may vary depending on your location and trim level, expect it to be competitive, starting in the mid-$15,000 range and potentially going higher for more features. To sum up, the 2025 Subaru 360 is a beautiful blend of retro charm and modern practicality. It's got the looks, the interior comforts, and the performance that make it perfect for those who want something unique and efficient in their daily drive. With its reasonable price, it could be just what you need if you're looking for something small, stylish, and full of character. That's it for today's review. Let me know your thoughts on the Subaru 360 in the comments below. Would you consider getting one, or is this just a fun, quirky car you'd love to see on the road? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching.